As a political analyst observing Zimbabwe's evolving power matrix, it is becoming increasingly clear that the ZANU-PF succession battle is entering a decisive phase, one that may soon usher in a new configuration of leadership at the highest levels of the party. Zanamira mashoko buda pangwa ino tiona ma political analyst pangwa ine vari kuchipa maviews avo pamusoro pemapower plays nemastruggles ari kuitika aiwa mubato redu renyika riri kutonga panguva ino reZANU-PF. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda paenda chipumisa rwamudanyira chiti the anticipated elevation of Retired General Philip Valerius Sibanda to replace Vice President Kembo Mohadi is not a merely personal change. It signals a deeper recalibration within the party's strategic calculus. Retired General Sibanda's military pedigree, national stature, and a reputation for discipline position him as a stabilizing figure in a post-mnangagwa political landscape. What makes this moment particularly compelling is the symbolic resonance of General Sibanda's emergence in political folklore and among those who read the undercurrents of Zimbabwean power transition. He is seen as the fourth swimmer, a prophetic archetype long whispered about in the corridors of power. If this metaphor holds, then his rise is not accidental but part of a broader historical rhythm that ZANU-PF insiders have long anticipated. This development also reflects a growing consensus within the party that the next phase of leadership must be anchored in unity, institutional loyalty, and the national cohesion. Sibanda's appeal cuts across factions, and his military background offers a sense of order in a party often riven by internal rivalries. However, the path ahead is not without peril. Succession in ZANU-PF has never been a linear affair. It is shaped by a complex interplay of patronage, loyalty, fear, and ambition. Those who feel threatened by Sibanda's rise, particularly those with vested economic interests, may resist quietly or forcefully. The stakes are high, and the battle for the soul of the party is far from over. Yet, if the prophecy of the fourth swimmer is to be fulfilled, then Zimbabwe may be on the cusp of a new chapter, one defined not by slogans but by sober leadership and national renewal. Tomashoko arugara pangwa ina chitaurwa na chipomsoro so aiwa pe an anticipated elevation ichaita Valerius Sibanda achipinda presidency. Pinagome section medu mtudzi mafunguro enyu matodipa mzilbe chitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chat on my bell icon.